The P0017 code signals a mismatch between your crankshaft and exhaust camshaft positions for bank 1 sensor B. Your engine's computer, the ECM, detects these sensors aren't in sync. This affects vehicles with variable valve timing systems. The crankshaft drives the pistons, while the camshaft controls the valves. They must work in harmony. When they're out of sync, engine timing suffers. Think of it like a band where the drummer and guitar aren't playing in sync. The whole song suffers. Addressing this is crucial to prevent reduced performance, poor fuel economy, and potential engine damage. How do you know if you have a P0017 code problem? The most obvious sign is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. You may experience rough idling or noticeable engine vibrations, especially when the engine is at idle speed. Decreased engine power and sluggish acceleration are common as the timing misalignment affects performance. Poor fuel economy often results from inefficient combustion due to timing issues. In severe cases, the engine may stall, particularly during stops or low-speed driving. Unusual engine noises, such as ticking or rattling, may indicate timing component wear. These symptoms stem from the crankshaft and camshaft timing correlation problem. Here's a simplified view. The crankshaft drives the pistons, while the camshaft controls the valves. When they fall out of sync, engine performance suffers. Since 2025, many advanced scan tools provide real-time data streaming, making it easier to correlate these symptoms with live engine parameters. Several factors can trigger a P0017 code. These include faulty crankshaft or camshaft sensors, a stretched or jumped timing chain or belt, low or dirty engine oil, failing VVT components like solenoids and phasers, and damaged wiring to the sensors. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft sensors can fail to send accurate signals due to heat, oil contamination, or electrical issues. A stretched or jumped timing chain or belt causes misalignment between the crankshaft and camshaft. Low oil pressure or dirty oil can clog VVT solenoids or phasers, preventing proper camshaft adjustment. Failing VVT components like solenoids and phasers prevent proper camshaft adjustment. Damaged wiring to the sensors can cause corrosion or shorts in sensor circuits. Regular maintenance, like oil changes, is key to preventing these issues. Remember, the code is often a symptom of a larger problem. Start by connecting an OBD2 scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Scan for the P0017 code and carefully note the freeze frame data, which captures engine RPM, load, and other parameters at the moment the code was set. This helps identify when the timing issue occurred. Inspect the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor for bank 1 sensor B. Look for visible damage, loose connections, or signs of oil exposure that could affect signal accuracy. Test the sensors using a multimeter. Check resistance values between signal, ground, and reference wires. Also measure voltage output while the engine is running to confirm proper signal strength. Examine the timing chain or belt for wear, stretch, or misalignment. A stretched chain can cause the crankshaft and camshaft to lose synchronization. This inspection often requires removing engine covers and may need professional tools. Connect an oscilloscope to the sensor circuits to examine signal waveforms. Look for clean, consistent patterns in the timing signals. Distorted or irregular waveforms can indicate sensor faults or wiring issues. Utilize modern AI-enhanced diagnostic scanners that use machine learning to analyze sensor data patterns. These tools help identify true timing correlation issues while minimizing false positives from temporary glitches. One common fix for the P0017 code is replacing the faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. These sensors are crucial for maintaining proper engine timing between the crankshaft and camshaft. When sensors fail, the correlation between crankshaft and camshaft timing becomes misaligned, triggering the P0017 code. The engine control module detects this discrepancy and alerts the driver. Before replacing the sensor, inspect the wiring and connectors for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. This diagram shows the typical location and components around the crankshaft position sensor. This wiring diagram illustrates the 3-wire camshaft sensor connection to the ECU. Ensure proper voltage and ground signals before replacement to avoid further issues. Replace the faulty sensor with a quality part. Bosch remanufactured sensors are recommended for their reliability and eco-friendly design. Parts typically cost between $100 and $300. After replacement, clear the diagnostic code using an OBD2 scanner and perform a test drive to verify the P0017 code is resolved and engine timing is restored. When fixing a P0117 code related to timing components, if the timing chain or belt is stretched or jumped, it requires repair or replacement, costing between $500 and $2,000. For VVT solenoids, clean or replace them to ensure proper camshaft adjustment, with costs ranging from $200 to $500. In some cases, software updates or ECM reprogramming might be necessary. Neglecting these issues can lead to costly engine damage. Regular oil changes using high-quality synthetic oil are essential to prevent P0117 issues. Synthetic oil maintains proper viscosity and reduces sludge buildup that can clog variable valve timing components. Include timing component and sensor inspections in routine maintenance. Check the timing belt or chain for wear and inspect position sensors for damage or contamination. Consider predictive maintenance systems that continuously monitor sensor health and engine parameters. These systems use AI to detect early signs of timing issues before they trigger a P0017 code. Stay updated with manufacturers' technical service bulletins for software updates and known fixes. Many P0017 issues can be resolved through ECM reprogramming rather than hardware replacement. Addressing P0017 issues early through these preventative measures can save thousands in repair costs. Early detection prevents catastrophic engine damage and extends vehicle lifespan. Looking ahead, predictive maintenance is becoming more prevalent, using data from sensors to alert drivers to potential P017 issues before diagnostic codes appear. Eco-friendly repairs are on the rise, with remanufactured parts reducing environmental impact while maintaining quality. While P0017 codes may become less common with electric vehicles, they will remain relevant for hybrids and older internal combustion engines. Future technology will likely include advanced sensors with self-healing capabilities and AI-driven diagnostics for more accurate predictions. These advancements will help maintain engine timing and prevent issues like P0017 in the long term.